Hello everybody, welcome to the Big Basket Christmas Special. I am Jayadra Vijay Selvan. I am the founder of CCC Bangalore, and today I am going to demonstrate how to make one of my favorite and quickest chocolate cake. And let's get started. So in a large bowl, I have kept my sieve inside. To the sieve, I am going to add all-purpose flour, which is also maida. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa powder. Now we are going to sift this together. So use a spatula, it really quickens the sieving process. Whenever there is cocoa powder in your recipe, make sure you sift it. I am going to mix this together. Now we will keep this aside, and in another large bowl, I am going to first break the eggs. We will add the brown sugar. Brown sugar helps in keeping your chocolate cake moist and also increases the molassiness. Now, since this is a Christmas season, I would like to incorporate some of the Christmassy flavors. Now to this, I am going to add zest of one orange to make it all Christmassy. So make sure you add only the orange part of the orange skin. Do not scrape away the white part, that's going to make your cake bitter. So from one orange, you should be getting about 2.5 teaspoons of zest. So now we have removed the zest of one orange. If you notice, there is no white part of the skin at all, it's only the orange part. Now we're gonna mix this together. So right now we have our zest, eggs and brown sugar. So since it's a Christmas season, I've added orange zest. On another occasion, you can totally skip the orange zest. Kill away all the lumps. And now to this, I'm going to add oil. So once oil is added, we can add our dry mix, and before that, to the dry mix, we will have to add a leavening agent. So here I'm using baking powder. Salt in chocolate cake elevates the taste. So a little bit of salt, we'll give this a mix, and into the wet we will add the dry. Now I'm going to add milk. Now we're going to bring all of this together. Make sure you don't have any lumps in your batter. Now we're going to pour our cake batter into the baking tin. So I've taken a baking tin and lined it with parchment paper. You don't have to grease the sides. We'll pour this batter into the tin. Once the cake batter is poured into the tin, we will have to rack the tin against the counter so that we remove any air pockets. And now this batter is ready to go into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. So our chocolate cake is out of the oven, and it's been cooling for the last 10 minutes. We're going to use a sharp knife to release the sides of the cake tin, and we're going to reverse the cake. We have now unmolded the chocolate cake. I'm going to dust this chocolate cake with a little bit of cocoa powder. There you go with the Hershey's orange chocolate cake. I hope you liked the video. Please do try this at your home and do tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook using the hashtag BBChristmas. Thank you and Merry Christmas to all of you.